Welcome back to Sweet Home Gallery. The festive season is here and it's the perfect time to give your home a fresh, vibrant look. Today we will explore stunning exterior wall paint ideas that not only make your house look brand new but also bring in that festive sparkle. From rich traditional colors to modern pastel shades, get ready for a visual treat. Let's begin. Festivals are all about warmth, joy, and welcoming vibes. If you love that classic festive charm, go for traditional warm tones like deep maroon, burnt orange, or golden yellow. These colors pair beautifully with white or cream tones and look stunning under festive lights. You can also add golden borders or metallic accent around windows or door frames for that royal Indian look. A golden glow bouncing off your freshly painted walls, that's pure festive magic. For those who prefer a natural and grounded feel, earthy shades are a perfect choice. Think terracotta, warm beige, and olive green. These colors reflect naturally and calmness. Pair them with stone textures or wooden accent for an organic, elegant look. Add some potted plants and warm yellow lighting to complete the cozy festive vibe. Then go bold with jewel tones like peacock blue, emerald green, or royal purple. These rich shades look stunning and gold detailing, festoon lights, and traditional lanterns. They bring out a luxurious and festive atmosphere, especially when combined with smooth texture finishes. A little boldness goes a long way in festive decor.
Like, share and subscribe to Sweet Home Gallery for your sweet home. Thanks for watching.